Hey everybody, it's Kylie and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a fun crochet stitch tutorial for y'all. I'm going to show y'all how to crochet the even moss stitch. So y'all can see the beautiful texture that this stitch has. It's a super easy stitch to crochet that's made up of a 1-row repeat. But before we jump into this tutorial, be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. So we're going to jump right in and I'm going to show you how to crochet the even moss stitch. So I made a slip knot and placed it on my crochet hook, and the chain multiple for this stitch is 2 plus 1, so you can start with any odd number of chain stitches that you want. For this swatch, I'm going to be chaining 13 stitches. Once you have chained your odd number of stitches, you will then start by placing a half double crochet in the second chain stitch from your hook. You will then place a slip stitch in the next chain stitch, and you're going to repeat this across. Work a half double crochet in the next stitch and a slip stitch in the next, and you'll repeat that all the way across, ending with a slip stitch in the very last chain stitch. This is what your piece will look like after row 1. Going on to row 2, this is our repeat row. We will chain 1, turn our work a half double crochet in the very first stitch and a slip stitch in the next stitch, and you'll repeat that all the way across. Half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch until you reach the very end, and you should place a slip stitch in that very last stitch of the row. And the one thing about the cluster stitch is you always start with a half double crochet stitch and you should always end with a slip stitch. This way you will never add any or miss any stitches for each row. And this is what your piece will look like after row 2. Going on to row 3, it's just going to be a repeat of row 2. So you'll just repeat row 2 for as many rows until your piece is the length that you want. So starting again, we will chain 1, turn our work a half double crochet in the first stitch, a slip stitch in the next stitch, and repeat that all the way across. Half double crochet, slip stitch, half double crochet, slip stitch. And you'll just keep repeating this row until your piece is the length that you want it. And that is how easy it is to crochet the even moss stitch. I hope that you've enjoyed this stitch tutorial. If you have, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already, and happy crocheting.